Hello, welcome to Steve McDonald Crafting, and today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing another iron-on t-shirt and showing you how quickly it is you can do this. The iron-on I'm going to be using is this. I love this camouflage. And the picture I'm going to be using is this dinosaur head. I just love it. I think the two will go well together. I could be wrong. I'm going to iron it onto this orange t-shirt because I think the colours really clash well, and so I like it, to be honest. And I'm going to use the standard grip mat for this, 12 by 10. So when I go to the shape here, I will need to make sure that that's going to fit. It should fit. So if I click make it, we can have a look on the mat. 12 by, yeah, it's just over 12 by 9. So that's going to fit there nicely. I'm going to change that material size, though, if there is one there. 9 by 12, it's not 9 by 12, it's 10 by 12. Let's change to see what happens. Okay, I think that's probably better to do that. So I just need to move my vinyl, and I have actually put my vinyl on upside down, so that was a good lesson, because you need to cut it obviously in reverse, so you have the shiny side down, not up. That was a lucky escape. I'm just going to roll this over so I've got a really nice quality connection from my mat and my iron-on vinyl. I'm going to click continue. I'm using everyday iron-on, pressure default, so I'm going to push that through and then push the C, and then that should just cut that out nicely. Well, that didn't take long to cut, probably only took about a minute. And the great thing about the iron-on is it comes with its own transfer paper, so you don't even have to worry about using any transfer paper with this. Now, I didn't bother to mirror this because I don't need to, because I don't mind which way it goes around. But if you want a specific way, because you're doing this upside down, you should mirror it. And this side is the actual transfer tape. So I'm going to remove this edge. Why I'm working on the shirt, I don't know. From this, hopefully, that should just leave behind the image. And it does come off here fairly easily as well. It's much easier than weeding vinyl, to be honest. So there we go. Now there is some bits inside. So this is the only hard thing I find with this vinyl, is I can't always find all the bits that need weeded. So what I do is I bend it up like that, and then I can see that there's a bit there that needs coming out. And then I'll keep carrying on bending it up until I've got all the bits out that I need to be getting out. And I do check it up against the picture as well. So I'll carry on and do this, and then I'll come back and show you how I'm going to iron it on. Well, that didn't take too long to weed out. So it'll go onto the t-shirt like that. And I quite like that. This is up to temperature now. This iron-on needs to be at 310, it tells me. Now I'm going to just give the shirt a quick few seconds of a press. And that should have got out any creases that are in there. Yep. So I'm just going to roll that around a little bit. And that's where I'm going to put my design. And I want it quite high up on this shirt. So I'm going to put it probably about there. I don't mind how straight it is or not. It's a dinosaur head, for goodness sake. So I'm just going to pop a bit of this Teflon paper over the top of it. I love this. This works really well. I will link everything that I've used today in the description, don't worry. I'm going to push that back in, turn that round so it's nice and square on there. Push that down, push start, and that will count down for the 15 seconds that it needs to be able to transfer this over. And as soon as it's done that, I can then lift it up. It's just giving me a little pip to tell me that it's now ready. So I can pull this tray out, I can remove that. On this particular heat transfer tape, you have to wait for it to cool before you take off the surface transfer. I'm just going to turn this off now because I don't need it on. I'm going to move my shirt over to somewhere where it can cool off nicely, and then I'll show you what it looks like once I take off the transfer paper. This is all cooled down now. It cooled down within just a few minutes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to gently take off this transfer sheet. And these are washable as well, just like any other vinyl t-shirt that you buy. All you need to do is just turn it inside out before you wash it, and don't wash it on too much of a hot wash. I'm loving this. And there we go, there's my dinosaur. I really like this. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on. This is what it looks like on. I'm really pleased with it. This is my little microphone, and I think it looks really good. I love it. Simple, easy, 2-3 minute project, and you've got a great little fun t-shirt. You could even put a slogan under here. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And if you'd like to buy me a coffee just to help out and help support me, buy materials and different bits and pieces to do these projects, the link for that is in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button. Take care. Enjoy your crafting. Bye.